Hi foodies, welcome to Aisha's Kitchen. Today I am back with a spicy and sizzling hot egg fried rice, which is a very easy, quick and must-try recipe to all of you out there. So for many more exciting recipes, stay tuned to Aisha's Kitchen. And now let's get started.
Let me quickly tell you the ingredients that we need for making our egg rice. Here I've taken one big bowl of rice. Here I've taken oil, ginger garlic paste, fresh lemon juice, red chilli powder, coriander powder, garam masala, jeera powder, biryani masala, salt as per taste, 2 eggs, freshly chopped coriander. Now let's get started with the dish. Now let us heat a pan with half a tablespoon of oil, and once the oil is hot, let us add egg into it. Here I am scrambling the egg. I have taken 2 eggs. Once the eggs are fine cooked, let us take them in a plate. Now in the same pan, let us add the oil for making the masala for the egg rice. Here I have taken 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Next, let us add all our masalas which we have taken. Garam masala, red chili powder, coriander powder, jeera powder, biryani masala. Once this starts to fry, let us add our ginger garlic paste, now once the ginger garlic paste is fried, let us add our scrambled egg to it. Now let us add salt as per taste. I'll be adding rice to it. Easy and simple egg fried rice, which gives you a same taste of street style egg fried rice, and it also will be done within 2 minutes. Doesn't involve any chopping or any much masalas into it. A simple recipe. Now let me add coriander, freshly chopped coriander to it. Here, as I'm not using any vinegar or soya sauce, so to give a bit tangy taste to it, I'll be using fresh lemon juice. If you don't want this sourness into your rice, you can just skip this. Now our easy, simple and yet very delicious egg fried rice is now ready. I hope you all love this dish and will try it right today. So for many easy and quick recipes, do subscribe to Aishu's Kitchen and please do support me. Love you all. Bye. Take care.